Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your Expedia credit when booking on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the account or my account at the bottom right. Now tap on Expedia credit or credits to see how much you have available. Go back to the home screen and start booking a flight, hotel or package as usual. Enter your destination dates and select what you want. When you reach the payment screen, look for the option to apply your Expedia credit. This might be a checkbox or a button that says use Expedia credit or apply credit. Tap it to use your available credit toward the total price. After applying the credit, fill in any remaining payment details. If the total isn't covered by credit, tap book now or complete purchase, and that's it. You have just used your Expedia credit on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.